Hello guys and welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. In today's video, I'll show you how to change your Binance password on mobile. Now unfortunately, there isn't a direct option to change your password from the settings on the Binance app. This might be a bit inconvenient, but don't worry, I've got an alternative solution that will work just fine. Here's what you need to do. First, open the Binance app on your mobile device and log in to your account. Next, tap on the profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open your account settings. Now tap on your user ID. Once you're in your account settings, you will see the logout option. Tap on logout, which will sign you out of your account. Now don't panic. Once logged out, you'll be taken to the login page. Or simply click on the sign up or login button right here. Here, instead of entering your credentials, simply tap on Forgot Password. This is where we can reset your password. Binance will prompt you to enter your registered email address or phone number. Just enter the correct one and then tap Next. At this point, Binance will send you a verification code via email or SMS. Just go to your inbox, copy the verification code, and paste it into the app to verify your identity. Once your identity is verified, you'll be asked to enter a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and secure. Mixing letters, numbers, and symbols is a good idea. Enter it twice to confirm, then tap Submit. Now your password is changed. You can log back into your account using your new password and you're all set. And that's it. While the process may seem a bit roundabout, this is the most effective way to change your password on Binance Mobile. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!